Okay, so the next type of assignment that we have is numeracy sets and homeworks. I'll actually lump these two together in one video. So numeracy sets, um, I expect that you guys will go through and do all of these without a calculator. That's the point. You should have some number sense and be able to do things without a calculator. Moving on from this class. And so my best way that I would be able to do this online is that you will have to actually submit a portion of your exam to be handwritten. You'll take a picture of all the steps that you took, step by step, showing each step and explaining each step. And so there's numeracy sets. Here's the first one. That there's 9 of them for the entire quarter. There's some videos here and some resources. And since I'm in student view and I'm not logged in or anything, uh, this is actually a picture of what you would see. So if you are logged in, you put in your username and password in here, and then you'd see all of that. I'm actually going to leave student view so you guys can see the numeracy set here. I'm going to leave student view. So here's what you would see when you're logged in. And there's 13 here, and 13, just do subtraction. Do this without a calculator. And so what's going to happen is that some of these types of exercises are going to show up on the test, but you're going to have to do this by hand and then submit a picture of it. Okay, so this is you guys going through the numeracy set. By the way, you can also print this version that you're given. There's algorithms you're creating different numbers for each exercise. Print this version. There's some other resources here, videos and ebook. There's a tip here on how to enter in your answer, and it obviously gives you a preview of what you're actually entering in. So there's a lot of little things that here that are helping you to succeed. Please explore and make sure that you would have access to that. And of course, you would be able to ask questions by saying, okay, I have this question. If you're going to copy paste this question into our Q&A, please make sure you include the instructions as well. So it's very important that you don't just say, I had some trouble with numeracy set 1, number 5. Actually copy paste what the exercise told you to do in your Q&A post so that people know what it is, and because you have different versions, right? So that's numeracy set 1. I'll just go to the numeracy set 2 to show you the same thing. You're reducing a fraction, multiplying fractions, and so forth. And then there's homework. So I'm not in student view anymore, but if you were in student view and logged in, you'd see this. So there's some homework questions that I have you guys going through. And again, same print version, video, ebook, that you would be able to use to be able to answer these in practice. Practice, practice, practice is very important. So you finish with these, you move on to homework number 1.2, and so forth through the rest of the week. Okay, so let me go back to my home here, and we just went through numeracy set 1, 2, and then the homework here. So 2 more videos that I'd like to share with you guys about study skills and about relating to real world problems here coming up.